Jobright AI is being promoted as an all-in-one job search assistant that can find jobs, tailor your resume, and even apply on your behalf. But the real question is whether it's actually a game changer or just another overhyped AI tool. The platform typically works as an AI-powered job search engine, helping you match with relevant roles, optimize your resume for each listing, and speed up applications with autofill features. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. AI tools for job searching are real, and features like resume optimization and job matching can genuinely save time and improve efficiency. However, here's the key issue. While the tool is useful, it's not a magic shortcut to getting hired. Success still depends heavily on your experience, the job market, and how you apply, not just the tool itself. User reviews are generally positive on the surface. On platforms like Trustpilot, Jobright has a high rating of around 4.5 to 4.7 stars, with users praising its ease of use, accurate job matching, and time-saving automation features. From community discussions, the experience is more mixed. It's a job board, not a job getter. Help me get to the front of the application line. Some users say it improves efficiency and resume targeting, while others mention issues like outdated listings, glitches, or limited real interview results. There are also a few concerns. Some users report seeing jobs are no longer available or not fully verified, which can waste time. Others feel the AI resume edits or auto-apply features still need manual checking. It's also important to understand that no AI tool can guarantee interviews or job offers. At best, these platforms help you apply smarter and faster, not replace the job search process. So, is Jobright AI a game changer for job search? It can be a helpful productivity tool, especially for beginners, but it's not a guaranteed shortcut to landing a job. The bottom line is that Jobright AI is a legit and useful tool for speeding up applications, but it's somewhat overhyped. Best used as a support tool rather than relying on it entirely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.